Alright, here we are a year later on the truck in the Eclipse with the Bedliner. I think I put back on that rear tail light there. Got the windows and the doors working. I had to strip out all the wiring on the master door to get that fixed. Got that big hole up here fixed. Doors unlock and lock properly now. She's idling better. Putting on new fogs and better LEDs tomorrow. See if we can capture some of the light changing effect in this Bedliner. Tiger striped the hood just a little bit, but my arms are tired at the end, so away she goes. Overall, really happy. Covered up all that rust. A little bit of a hard transition here from one color to the next, but kind of did that on purpose. Just ran out of paint. Looks a lot different than it did, all white. That bumper was all rusted out. Rebuilt that. Tried some touch-up that came out of the can. That stuff laid on horribly. It's all that stuff that you see running on there. Got some tree sap, just ignore that. Like I said, it's like a year old. But, you know, it was from like green to sometimes red, purple. It's like a black cherry. Still need to get windshield done. But they came out pretty good. Overall, I think I'm pretty happy with the work. I mean, I'm not a mechanic, so. I lost a running board over here. That one was too far gone to save, but this one over here for the woman, I was able to reattach that one, save that one. We'll see how long that lasts. 176 on the Eclipse, 2001. 24 years old, still rocking strong. Gotta love the manual. With a 07 Dodge, 103 on it. Too nice just to sit and rust away. All these doors were rusted out, and she was not happy. But, you know, pretty happy with the Bedliner. It's holding up real nice. It's a year later. I don't know if the sun's capturing the light change as much as I'd like it to, but we'll find out when we watch the video. Got the new fog lights coming in. Turn signal getting upgraded too. Passenger side mirror was all cracked. I epoxied that, fixed that. Yep. Overall pretty happy. I like how they came out. Not really good light here at my buddy's, but I figure it's been a year and I got I'm working on the Eclipse, so good time to do a follow-up, show everyone how she's holding up. Alright guys, good luck with whatever project you're working on. Hope Hope it works out for you.